This is our model VIN from the HQ collection. Prep the hair with a moderate dosage of American Crew Prep and Prime Tonic. Place the horseshoe parting to separate the top from the bottom. Note that this parting sits high in the recession and drops low in the back behind the ears, resting just above the occipital bone, a consistent feature of the HQ collection. Establish the basic head shape using the clipper over comb technique starting on your dominant side. Beginning at the bottom of the panel, build slight graduation resulting in the length at the top being approximately 1 inch. Building graduation on the bottom half of the head will establish your base for the expanded shape on top. Continue working with graduated panels to the opposite side. Section off the crown just behind the ears. Subsection the crown into 3 triangle sections for maximum control of the hair. Using basic side-to-side sections, flat cut with shears. Elevate the hair straight out from the center of each section using the guide from below. When cutting the outer subsections, it is essential to follow the head shape. Pull each section out square from the center. Repeat these considerations on the opposite side. Take a section 1 inch in width from the center. Flat cut square to the head using the longest guide to length from the crown at the back. This will be your new guide for the next step. Over-direct the entire right side above the horseshoe to your new guide in the center of Zone 4. Flat cut square to the head. Do not follow head shape at the front. Repeat on the left side. Apply another dosage of American Crew Prep and Prime Tonic to keep a consistent moisture content in the hair as you work. Blow dry the hair using medium heat and moderate airflow. Expand the concave shape with a flat brush. Secure the hair with clipper over comb. Begin straightening the concave silhouette using clipper over comb. For optimal control of the hair, hold the comb with your thumb, index, and middle fingers. Work in a radial movement around the entire top of the head. Refine the perimeter with freehand and freehand fanning. Utilize clipper over the all-purpose comb to blend the taper. Apply a light dosage of American Crew Firm Hold Gel. Blow dry using the flat brush. Stretch and exaggerate the concave silhouette. Work in a light dosage of American Crew molding clay and set it with cold air.